The guy who promised to send glitter to your enemies just got a taste of karmic revenge. He's getting bombed with glitter bomb requests. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. You know the website Ship Your Enemies Glitter? For $10, you could anonymously send some poor, unfortunate soul an envelope filled with glitter and a note. The note would be folded in a way that forces the glitter to go everywhere, causing a mess and ruining the person's day. Right, well, the website is now for sale. The owner, 22-year-old Matthew Carpenter, received thousands of orders and can't keep up. At first, he tried asking people to stop, posting on Product Hunt. Hi guys, I'm the founder of this website. Please stop buying this horrible glitter product. I'm sick of dealing with it. Sincerely, Matt. When that didn't work, Matt listed the site on flipit.com with a starting price of $1. Over 330 bids later, the site is listed at over $70,000. Matt assures that if you placed an order before all the craziness started, your enemies will still get glitter bombed. In the meantime, Matt is actively running the site, albeit begrudgingly. He started an official Facebook page, and he added a form on the website for people who want to be notified when orders are up again, but he certainly isn't happy about it. But to quote the person who replied to his plea on Product Hunt, "You have made your glitter-coated bed and I'm afraid you will have to lie in it." Well said. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.